Bezibulana ngengqephu kokusindwe ngobethole kuma National Funeral Business Lifetime Awards abebanjelwe endaweni yase Thekwini eDurban IEC. Lapho bekuzoklonyeliswa khona ke bonke abangcwabi abenze kahle. Sikhuluma ke nomsunguli wawo ke lama awards ke ubeke kanje.
We are pleased to have witnessed the first ever National Funeral Business Awards. It's groundbreaking. It's kuqophe kumlando ngesiZulu. And there has never ever been such a moment. You've seen there's Brood here, there's everybody here. Every single undertaker you may think of, you see Tebeletu, you see Celani, you see Kopane, you see Ndabe, whomever you think of who is an icon and a giant in the funeral industry is here today. So tonight we are showing South Africa what is like to do well in whatever field that you are in. Because I know when people look at us, they look at undertakers and they think of the dead. But we are still alive. Why can't we celebrate each other and show the world that there are those of us who do good? Remember, we're celebrating nothing less than service excellence. So we are saying to South Africa, thank you so much for attending tonight. Thank you so much for being with us. The councillors are here, the mayor is here, the premier, you know, everyone is here tonight. The sponsors, even God is here.
So, what inspired you to call such event?
Now, look, we want to stimulate ethical behavior, good ethical behavior amongst the undertakers, and we also want to sort of give some form of development to those who are small. If they see us lifting up those who are doing well, they will emulate what is being done. In South Africa, we have a tendency of not acknowledging the good that people are doing. We only come when they are on the wrong, So we are very quick to sabotage each other. Look at what is happening to Max, today. Just one interview, and people came together and say, away with Max. But you have the foreign foreign-owned spaza shop. They've been selling us counterfeit products, but who have you seen saying away with them? They are still buying from them today. We are saying we are people, we make mistake, we must be allowed a room to make mistake because we are people. We will only stop making mistake when we die. And if you ask me, I'll tell you, no dead body has ever made a mistake.
Yeah, so only I think even the public in future is the ones which is part of this event.
Members of the public, yes. We are going to open it up to the members of the public.
Deputy Mayor wedolobha iTheku naye ubekhona evakashele ke wona ke lumbungazo bukhona ke endaweni yaseThekwini ke lama wabesesha ukuthi ke kuyamjabulisa ke ukubona ke abangcwabi benza into efana nalolu hlobo. Washo nokusho ukuthi ke ukhombisa ukuthi kukhulu
uNkulunkulu yebo kumbono. These awards, they are saying to me, you are moving into another direction. Lama awards bakuhlengwa kuwona wakho. Ama awards e-industry. uNkulunkulu yebo kumbono ubeke kuwena. O colleagues bakuzwa, but they don't belong to you. This should be a beginning of bigger things. A unity of purpose. Ungangakwenza okwenziwa, because in any industry you will always find ama-giants akhona. But the truth of the matter is, this industry now is being dominated by us. I'm sorry, I'm a black child and I'm not ashamed of that. But it means, colleagues, let your voice be heard. We know the challenges that you are confronting every day. We want to hear you, but not in many voices.
Mnumzana uGwala ke ubonge bonke abasebenzi ke bakhe ke bemaphinda funeral services njengoba ke kade eqonyeliswa ke ngeaward ke ye emerging business.
Sizizwa sijabulele kakhulu mfethu. We didn't expect this, but we thank God kuko konke nasemsebenzini esiwenzayo ukuthi uNkulunkulu uhleze nesandla. And also I would like to take this opportunity to thank the staff that we're working with, also to thank our client, and also to thank abanye Abagcwabi okuyibona nababasilekelelayo nabasupportayo, also with our clients asupportayo. Siyabonga kakhulu.
iBroodin Funeral phala ke izwinele ke iFuneral of the Year award award ke enikezwa ke iFuneral phala ke ekuyiyona ekwazi uorganize ke umngcwabo ke oseqophelweni eliphezulu ke abebongela ke abe Broodin Funeral phala ke bona ke babeke kanje.
And I'm going to hand over to her to say a word or two because of Yoshona Figasen, aka now recently the governor Titomboweni, we've just buried, and so many great South Africans that we've gave them a dignified funeral. Thank you very much, the Big Five, and thank you much everyone who's here. I'll hand over to my beautiful wife here. You can see, guys, she's taken.
Good evening. I don't know what to say. I'm so happy. I just want to say thank you to the organizers, to the sponsors that made this day possible. I received these 2 awards with a grateful heart. Thank you so much.
And in closing, I must just say we must thank all our employees, from the tea ladies, the guys from at the back, all the guys that are making sure that the material that we use is not scratched, is clean, so that the client must see his money when we serve them. Thank you very much.
The Big Five is kindly requested to remain behind on stage.
Congratulations to the winners. So at MTN, we've got a product that we call Made for Skoko. It's made as for Skoko is in business. So we are going to give you a generator because we believe every business customer deserves a benefit of a modern connected life. Even though you must stay connected, you are a Skoko in business.